This video is about the reactions of metals and acids. Here I'm reacting magnesium ribbon with hydrochloric acid. You can see that there is a gas given off. That gas is hydrogen. If we look at the general formula above, we can see that when you add a metal to acid, you get the salt and also hydrogen. Of course, we can test for hydrogen by using a lighted splint. That lighted splint will give a squeaky pop if hydrogen is present. Just like that. We find the name of the salt in the same way that we would have found the name of the salt with neutralisation or with the reaction of carbonates. We're using the acid, so it will be the end of the part of the acid, the non-hydrogen part, and then the start of the name of the salt will be the type of metal that we've got. Let's look at our two examples. Here we have calcium reacting with hydrochloric acid. So the salt that's going to be made will start with calcium, and because it's hydrochloric acid, the end of the name of the salt will be chloride, so calcium chloride. And when we react an acid and a metal, we always get hydrogen made. And then zinc, a different metal, with sulfuric acid. Well, sulfuric acid will make a sulfate, so we end up with zinc sulfate, and of course hydrogen, which is always made. So you just need to remember today that an acid plus a metal gives you salt plus hydrogen, and you can test for hydrogen using the squeaky pop test.